Hi, this is Craig and Celeste with Sulcata Grove, and today we are going to be tasting this emerald mango. Don't know anything about emerald mangoes. I'm guessing part of the reason it's called mango emerald is because it's still green, and I'm pretty sure this is right because it's starting to get a little bit soft, and it smells
It smells good.
piney. It smells good. So let's see if it's ready. Cutting like it's ready.
Looks ready.
Ooh, smells ready.
I like the outside smell better,
Well,
but we will see how it tastes.
let's see.
I've
how
heard good
it
things about this one.
tastes. I'm not sure I've heard much of anything about this one. I've heard the name, but I don't know as far as.
Mango fiber between my teeth, that's the worst. I think what mango that reminds me of.
So, a little bit of fiber, but not too much. It's enough to give it some texture.
There's not tartness.
No tartness, moderate sweetness. It's got some pininess to it. It's got
It's a little
some.
tart.
Oh, really? I didn't hit any tart.
Yeah, different parts definitely taste different
Yeah.
on this one.
Yeah, what to compare that to? Namdok Mai, maybe?
No, well, it's got some of that.
Yeah, this one's a little hard to describe.
I think there's nothing really wow about it to me personally with this particular.
Well, the thing is, it's got a lot of the things in it that make a mango really good, but none of them are like really strong. They're all kind of maybe well balanced or maybe muted.
Which could be rain and different things.
Right.
They've had a lot of rain down there. It's not bad.
It's got a little bit of that, I wouldn't call it melting texture, but kind of mush. I mean, the balance of the fiber there, it really kind of mushes and into almost, doesn't really dissolve in your mouth, but almost. And I don't know whether that's good or bad. Flavor's good.
I don't know what to think about
But
it.
yeah, there's a lot going on, but all of the different tones to me are kind of
But
really.
barely.
Yeah, it's got a lot of low tones in it that, I mean, they're all good, but there's no.
Yeah.
There's no star of the show.
This just might have been a particularly.
And it might be a slightly overripe, you think, or
It looks a little bit overripe, or it has some of that breakdown just near the seed, which I guess can also be calcium.
That's the fiber, I think.
Oh,
I think that's just the fiber around the seed. I don't know.
looks like a little bit of breakdown.
Maybe. So maybe this is a little overripe. I don't know. It's good. There's
Yeah.
nothing. There's nothing.
If you tried emerald and like it, like let us know.
Yeah,
Is
let
this
us know
one
what you
eat
think,
a little
'cause
bit
this
less,
is-
right? Just kind of washed out a little bit, but not. It's not flavorless.
Almost tastes like a little artificial.
I don't
You
get
don't think
that.
so? Like
But you get that with a few
like a
different ones.
Tampico versus orange juice.
We don't taste the same kind of that. There are a few
Oh,
mangoes
yeah.
that you taste artificial in that I don't,
Yeah,
so I don't
okay.
know what that is.
Yeah, I mean it's not like saccharin or NutraSweet
Yeah.
kind of artificial. Just kind of a. Maybe like a little bit of underripe banana, kind of.
Maybe.
I don't know. There's a lot in there. I mean, it's a good mango. I'd like to try another one that was maybe at a different stage of ripeness, or
Yeah.
um,
I'd like to try it a little bit less ripe.
yeah. But they're certainly worth trying.
Mhm.
Just hard to describe.
Yeah. I don't remember which video, but somebody else did a video on emerald, and they talked it up so much that like I wanted to plant a tree. So my thought is like maybe this was just a particularly plain one. So I'm curious if you've tried emerald. Like I'd love to hear what you think.
A little bit of honeydew melon.
Yeah.
Yeah, and honeydew melon to me kind of falls in that category of like it's good and I can eat it, but it's like, well, why did I eat it? Was it good? Is it good? I mean, I've had a good honeydew melon, but most honeydew melons are just kind of, they're okay, I can eat them. But they've got a little bit of that kind of...
There's some people that really like those flavors of mango.
Yeah.
Like I would put Nam Duck Ma in there.
If you really love honeydew melon, then give it a try. And that's not a bad thing. It's just, I mean, it's better than a honeydew melon, but it just kind of has some of those same tones.
I think some people grew up with mangoes with that flavor. Really like that flavor.
So anyway, that was Emerald. Tell us what you think if you tried it, because I really would like to get some other opinions on it.
Like, should we buy more if we go back?
Yeah, I wouldn't mind trying it again at a little bit different ripeness stage. But anyway, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Put the mango in a sack, put the sack up on my back. Everybody now come along, help me sing my mango song.